to tears. Remember, someday it'll all be over. One day we're gonna get so high. Though it's darker than December, what's ahead is a different color. One day we're gonna get so high. And at the end of the day, remember the days when we were close to the edge, and we wonder how it made it through. And at the end of the day, remember the way we stayed so close till the end. We remember it was me and you, 'cause we are gonna be forever, you and me. You will always keep me flying high in the sky of love. Don't you think it's time you started?
I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I can fill your cup. You know my river won't evaporate. This world we still appreciate. You could be my luck. Even in a hurricane of frowns, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I could show you love. In a tidal wave of mystery, you'll still be standing next to me. You could be my luck. Even if we're 6 feet underground, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound.
You got the whole world in your pocket, but you just don't know. Everybody's smiling at you everywhere you go. It's like you've got that secret that everybody else wants to know. Anywhere you are is just like home to you. From the beaches of Manila down to Kathmandu. Yeah, you've got that secret that everybody want to do. I am leaving, and this is starting to feel like it's right before my eyes, and I can taste it. It's my sweet beginning. And I can tell just what you want. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. I can't say it's what you know, but you known it the whole time. Yeah, you known it the whole time. Maybe next year I'll have no time to think about the questions to address. Am I the one to try to stop the fire? I wouldn't test you, I'm not the best you.
Buenas, me llamo Alfa Mohamed, pero me llaman Feo, que significa fuego en francés.
Hola, soy Javier, tengo 19 años y os voy a hablar sobre mi apodo, Javicho. Bueno, cuando
Mi nombre es Guillermo, me llamo Guillermo porque mi padre me ha dado ese nombre porque...
Hola, me llamo Francis.
Hola, buenas, me llamo Hamza y
Hola, yo me llamo Sole y yo me llamo María.
Me llamo Victoria.
¿En qué piensas cuando escuchas la palabra mujer?
Les nostres aules no tenen nom.
Això no té nom.
Això no té nom.
Això no té nom.
Això no té nom.
Això no